Hey guys, this is Vincent. Today we're gonna make a video to show how to get through internet like Google, Facebook to use in China. And we're gonna make this video on my very old laptop. This is the ThinkPad. You can see I should buy this one 10 years ago, I forget it. But now I install a Fedora 32, and also the processor type is 64 bits, and most of the laptop and computer, even smartphone, they are 64. So we start. First we go to check the Google Chrome. In China normally the Google doesn't work, YouTube doesn't work, and also Facebook. But the biggest Chinese website like Taobao, they are really quick, and also Baidu, and also Tencent. Okay, so how we start? First we need this website, Qv2ray.net. Oh, I forget the Chinese one. We can choose the language here, or we just put the English here. Okay, got it. So we can start. Follow the menu. Download two files. The first one is download the GitHub. No, this one is this one. Download the Qv2ray from the GitHub. Qv2ray, it's a proxy software, and if your computer is a MacBook, you should download this one. If your computer is a Windows, it's better you download this one or this one. It doesn't matter. And if you like me using Linux, you should download this one. I already downloaded here. You can check. And this one. And the second, we need to download the Qv2ray core file here. It's also listed on the GitHub. So they list a lot of processors. So just remember, the most important is your operating system. If your system is Windows, you can download this one. If your computer is a MacBook, you can download this one. Or like me, you're using Linux, whatever, Fedora or Ubuntu, you should download this one. I already downloaded this too. Yes, this one is just run it directly, and this you should extract it. So if you extract it, you will get the whole file. Save them in one folder, like I name it with vcore. Everything's here. So we just run the Qv2ray. Okay, I already get two surveys here, but it's free. You can see free-ss.site, and later we will show you how to use it. First we check the preference. Normally there was some setting table, but it doesn't matter. We just check very quickly. The first importantly, you can check the latency test. You can choose TCP pin or ISM pin. I prefer this one. And second is the kernel. This is most important, because the Qv2ray core, you should choose the right the path here, just like I ThinkPad, and also downloads, and the Qv2ray and Qv2ray. It's like this way. And also the Qv2ray assets is here. Okay, after you put the right path, you should check the core is setting right. Yes, it's good. And also we check the time. It's good too. So we go to inbound. So later I will show you how to use this part, but we just ignore this very quickly. And the connection settings is here. That means the bypass in mainland. That means if you try to build some website like Google, we use the Qv2ray proxy. If you just like reach the Taobao or something in China websites, Chinese websites, they didn't use the proxy, so it will save some data. And the DNS, oh, this is most important because this one belongs to Cloudflare, but normally it works very horrible. So this second two, and for 8.8 or 8, these two belong to Google. So normally I choose to put the Google on the top. Then the advanced settings, forget it, and about. Okay. So we could already I set two service here, so we can test the latency. Okay, they're almost same, so this one is a little bit quicker. So we choose this one. You can start it here. Then we can check the log. Something already run here. Now we go back to Chrome. We can check. Is it right? Yes, it works. And also YouTube. It works. And Facebook. It works too. So how to get this service here, I will show you. But at first I gonna to stop the service. Okay. You can see Google doesn't work again. So this one I get it from here, and also this website was blocked. So there were two websites. The first is main.qv2ray.cx. Okay, they have the different language, traditional Chinese and English. You can choose their plans, and their trial is very cheap. You can see it's only 20 cents dollars. In Chinese yuan, it's around 1 yuan and 50. That's really cheap. So you can try this one. You can get 1 giga in 7 days. If you want something more, you could get the B3 team, like $24, and you can get 160 gigabytes. But it's a little bit expensive, so I suggest to you using this one, just mysocks3.net, and they have the different language here: Chinese, English, Espanol, blah blah blah. So we can choose. We can check their plans. You can see. Just My Socks, they provide 500 gigabytes each month, and you only need to pay like less than $6, $5 more. So it's quite good. And this website belongs to the IT7 Networks. It's a Canadian company, so I use them a little bit more. So I think they're really good. And also you can Google any other the Google service. Google the B3 service. So let's start the free site. Okay, started. Now we check Google. Oops, that works. It works. Oh, I get it. So we check the free access. You can see these two I just already saved it here, and also there are something others listed here. The Qv2ray software, they support the B2ray because this is start from the B, and they support the shadow socks. They start from the S. So you can see some service, some host is in America, some in Singapore, some in Japan. So we just choose one, like Japan. Japan normally is a little bit quicker. Okay, choose one and click the QR code and right click the URL. So we can copy the link, then go back to Qv2ray, click new button, paste it, and import. We will get it. So we can test the speed, test the latency is good or not. It's better than the up2, so we start it. You can see you can start the connection or disconnect. Okay, it depends on you. Then we can check Google. Okay, it works. And also we can check the video, like something like, okay, oh, I use the, oops, I'm not a robot. Okay, bicycle, 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 bicycle. Anything more? Nothing more. This one, this one, this one, this one. Shit. Traffic light, traffic light, traffic light. Oh. Shit, sometimes it just happens. Trackless should be. Oh, it works. But I have to say, the free surveys, sometimes they are not very good. I mean, the connection. You can use Google, you can use Facebook, but the connection is not very well. So I suggest you to pay some cheaper one. Is how much data you want to use. You can choose like what, €2 around, €5 $2 around, $5 around, something like $6 around. It depends on you. And also we can see the the connection. You can see it. We can skip the ads. Okay, it works. Now today is our video, and next time I will show you how to share the data with your local network, like your any other iPad, iPhone, Android devices. You don't need to install any more applications, so you can share the data from your laptop or computer. Okay, thanks for watching. Ciao, bye bye.